Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another fresh project pan. It's going to be my 7 summer flings. If you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that way you stay notified of when I upload. So this project pan, the 7 summer flings, was actually created by Stephanie. She is the Daisy Girly here on YouTube and also on Instagram. I know I've heard of 7 summer flings somewhere, and so I had to dig on YouTube, and I'm glad I found the creator of this project because I am giving credit where it's due. That video that I saw of hers was from 2016, but I figure I wanted to try to bring that challenge back. So I'm going to go from May 31st through September 21st. So that is the last day of summer or the first day of fall, one of those. Anyways, so I chose to do like little minis because I have, a few months just to get them done. And I tried to pick items that were kind of the oldest from my collection. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the ones where I'm going to keep track in my notebook here. The first one is from Trestique, and it is the matte lip crayon in the shade Belize Bordeaux. You could see my first line, and it's this little guy right here, and that is a swatch fit on the bottom. I figured I'd pick this as like a nighttime lip shade or a date night lip shade or something like that. So there is my first intro line right there. I haven't really used this much. I probably just swatched it once or twice on my lips and that's about it. But I know that I had this for a while, so I'm going to try to use that up. And then also this that I've been using nonstop is the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in the shade Fishnet. I use this to line my upper tight line and then sometimes my lower waterline. This helps fill in the gaps between the lashes, so it makes them look a lot fuller, especially when you're not using false lashes. So my intro line is up here for that one. It's going to be hard to tell the progress on them, but we're going to start off with this one. Is the Meet Matte Hughes Committed Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This one's like super old, but it's actually the lipstick that I'm wearing today. It's really pretty, but I'm still trying to learn how to work with it because I'm not the only one who's experienced a lot of drying. Like, these are super drying, and I even put a lip balm underneath, and it still looks kind of, my lips look kind of like you can see the lines and stuff. This is going to be like my everyday lipstick basically. So I'm going to try to keep this in my purse. The foundation is the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation. This is actually the foundation that I'm wearing today on my face. It is full coverage, and I'm not sure if I like it yet because maybe about roughly 3-4 hours I was already getting really oily, so I don't know, we'll see. But I'm glad it's waterproof though, so that's a good thing that just in case I decide to wear it and go swimming or something, because I'm gonna be out in the sun and getting wet and taking Savannah places where there's water. So I'll be wearing this as much as I can. And I also have a review of the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, and I'll also link it up here in the iCards. And then for the mascara, I'm going to try to use up this Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. I do have a review of it, and I'll link it up here. For blush, I'm going to use this mini Balm Springs long wearing blush. This is in the shade, I guess it's called Balm Springs. So it's this nice, like, it's a matte blush, and it's like this pinkish peach coral shade. So that's what it looks like there. I guess it's technically a mini because I don't think it's a whole lot of product. I don't know, I hope it's not that much product. But I'm going to use this side of the pan from this e.l.f. Baked Highlighter and Blush Duo in Rose Gold. That's the highlighter right there. Let's wish me good luck that I get most of these done. I'm still going to consider myself new to panning and trying to use up a lot of my makeup, so I'm going to start off with a bunch of the old products. I'm also going to have another project pan that I have planned out that I'm joining as a group project pan, but that's going to be like later on in September, so you'll stay tuned for that one because it's going to be a really fun one. I really don't want to say anything yet, but I'm super excited about it. I'll leave all these products listed down below. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.